In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and send data to Zapier webhooks quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and explore this powerful tool that can automate your workflows in no time. First, what you need to do is head over to the Zapier website. If you're not logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on the login button. For the quickest access, use your Google account credentials. It's a seamless way to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier homepage. From here, look for the Create button. It should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you to a place where the real fun begins, creating what Zapier calls zaps. Moving forward, navigate to the Zaps section. This is where you define the automation processes you want to set up. Begin by clicking on Trigger. This is essentially the event that will start the zap. For our purpose today, we're going to use webhooks as the trigger. If you're unfamiliar, webhooks are a way for apps to communicate with each other automatically. Highlight webhooks and then proceed to choose an event. The event we'll focus on is Catch Hook, a simple yet powerful way to receive data through a webhook URL. After selecting Catch Hook, it's vital to test it. Hit that test button to ensure everything is running smoothly and that you're ready to move on to the next step without any glitches. Now it's time to define the action that follows the trigger event. Go for the action option and choose to work with Google Sheets. With Google Sheets, you can easily manage and store the data that flows through your webhook. In the next step, you'll need to choose an event again. In this case, we're focusing on Update Spreadsheet Row. This setting allows your Zap to find the appropriate spreadsheet and update existing rows with the new data captured by the webhook. Before activating this integration with Google Sheets, you'll need to sign into your Google account again for authorization. Make sure everything is connected and that permissions are granted. This part is crucial to ensuring data can be smoothly transferred between Zapier and Google Sheets. Finally, test everything once more after all these configurations, just to be sure that the Zap behaves the way you expect. Once you're satisfied with the results, go ahead and click on Publish. And there you have it, a functional setup that enables you to send data to Zapier webhooks. With these steps complete, you've just automated a task that can save you significant time and effort in your daily workflow. Keep exploring the potential of Zapier, and you'll find countless ways to make your life easier. Thanks for joining, and happy automating.